Environment and ecology, globe. Hello, young explorers. Let's learn about our amazing planet and how we can protect it. Glowing star. Why conservation matters. Conservation means taking care of our natural world so it stays beautiful and healthy. We conserve water, droplet, by not wasting it, and we save energy, high voltage sign, by turning off lights when not needed. Every little action helps. Ecology basics. Ecology is the study of how living things like plants and animals interact with each other and their environment. Think of it as a big web where everything is connected, spider web. For example, trees, deciduous tree, give us oxygen to breathe, and bees, honey bee, help flowers grow by pollinating them. Protecting our environment. Environmental protection means keeping our air, water, and land clean. We do this by recycling symbol, not littering, put litter in its place symbol, and planting more trees, evergreen tree. Clean environments help all living things stay healthy and happy. Fun ways to help. You can help by joining cleanup drive, planting gardens, and teaching your friends about the importance of a clean environment. Let's all be Earth heroes and make a difference. Africa, Green Heart. Together, we can keep our planet a wonderful place to live. Glowing star.